How to profit from cryptocurrencies? Are you looking for ways to make a profit with cryptocurrencies? If so, you are in the right place. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years, and understanding how to use them to your advantage can be an incredibly lucrative venture. In this blog post, we'll explain the basics of cryptocurrencies and how you can use them to increase your wealth. From choosing the right digital currency to leveraging the power of blockchain technology, we'll provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to make profitable investments in the cryptocurrency market. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are an exciting new asset class for investors to diversify their portfolio and potentially make profits. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a high-risk, high-reward endeavor, and it is important to understand the risks and rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies before getting started. The first step in investing in cryptocurrencies is to understand the different types of cryptocurrencies available. There are thousands of different coins, each with its own unique characteristics and utility. It is important to research each coin individually to understand its function and potential. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the technology behind each coin, as this will help you make better decisions when investing. How can you get started in investing in cryptocurrencies? Getting started in investing in cryptocurrencies can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to decide which cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Once you have made that decision, the next step is to sign up for a digital wallet service that supports the cryptocurrency of your choice. Once you have an account, you will need to transfer funds into it. There are several ways to do this, including using bank transfers, credit cards, and other payment methods. Once you have your funds in place, you can start looking at different exchanges to buy and sell cryptocurrency. Most exchanges will require you to verify your identity and upload documents before they will allow you to use their services. After that, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It is important to research the exchange you are using to make sure it is reputable and secure. What are some things to be aware of before investing in cryptocurrencies? Before investing in cryptocurrencies, it is important to be aware of the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and their prices can swing wildly in a short period of time. Additionally, because cryptocurrencies are decentralized, there is no way to get your money back if you make a bad investment. This means that you should be sure to do your research before investing in any particular cryptocurrency, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, it is important to be aware of the fact that cryptocurrency markets are still largely unregulated, meaning that fraud or manipulation of prices is possible. It is important to make sure you are investing in reputable exchanges and wallets, and not falling victim to any scams. What are some tips for profiting from cryptocurrencies? 1. Start small. When investing in cryptocurrencies, it is important to start small. Start by only investing a small amount of money and gradually increase your investments as you become more knowledgeable and comfortable with the market. 2. Do your research. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile, so it is important to do your research and understand the risks associated with the market before making any investments. Investing without researching can lead to losses. 3. Diversify. It is important to diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies and not put all of your eggs in one basket. Doing this can help to protect your investment against major swings in the market. 4. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is constantly changing and evolving, so it is important to stay informed and up to date on the latest news and developments. 5. Keep track of your investments. Tracking your investments is important when investing in cryptocurrencies. Keeping track of the prices of different currencies can help you identify potential buying or selling opportunities. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.